Alright, so today I want to put in a catch basin right here. You can kind of tell where this holds water when we get a heavy rain. I'm going to try to tie into this drain right here where this gutter's going. I put water down the gutter to see where it came out, and it comes out at the other side of that power pole. So anyway, that's what I'll work on today. So this is what I got. I also got a 4-inch 45. I wasn't sure how deep this drain pipe was. So I think this will work. I can get this, I think I'd have to dig out a little bit more and get this low enough. And then hopefully I can use this T and maybe go straight in, but then I don't know if it would drain properly. I think it would. But I'll have to dig out some more and see what I need to do. I might go back. They've got 22.5 degrees, which might be better. That way I can get this lower. Because if I use a 45, I think I'm gonna have to, this thing will be sitting up right here, so that probably wouldn't work. Anyway, I'm just gonna dig down and see, get a better look at it and see what I gotta do. Okay. So that's on. That's about where it needs to go. Let me go get that 45 and see if that'll work. I think it's too much though. Well, that might actually work pretty good. So I guess, okay, so a 1-inch pipe fits over that, not a fitting. All right. But anyway, see, that's too high. That's higher than the ground now. So that's what I'll do. I'll use this 90, and that way I can set it whatever height I want. I'll just have to do it like that. I think I'm just going to dig out some more right here. Just do it with a shovel, really. Make room for this. Actually, the more I think about it, this side is the lower spot. So I think I'm going to come out here 90 over and put it right here on this side. So let me dig this out. Give a little spit shine. I don't know if these even need to really be glued or not, but whatever. And this piece is just to take up the slack to fit on there tight. Alright, still a little high, so I need to dig out on this back side. That's pretty good. This is about the lowest spot right here. We'll get a bit lower than that, so that's probably about where it needs to be. I'm gonna get the level out and try to level this out and get some dirt under here, get this nice and level, then I can fill it around it. plastic. Just going to wrap it around. Alright, that should work pretty good, I think, unless it comes off. Hopefully it doesn't. That'll keep all the dirt out of there. I'm going to backfill a little bit with the shovel just to make sure I get it good in there. Then I'll try to throw all this back in with the tractor. Probably just gonna finish the rest of this with a shovel and a rake. It's too hard to get in here. I can only get in from one angle. It's kind of a pain in the ass. So there it is. I think I got it graded pretty well. I guess we'll see on the first rain. I wouldn't doubt it if I had to play around with this a little bit to get little puddles out here and there. But anyway, that's it.